Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be assembling this clear plastic shoebox, or reviewing it basically. Honestly, I've already taken it out of the package just to save time, and it's not what I thought it was going to be. This was like not cheap, and it was about like $55 to $60 for a 12 pack, which I was like, oh, that's a good deal. And on the pictures it looked so nice. I thought it was gonna be like a hard plastic, like a hard white plastic with a little like clear drawer that slides in and out, but it's not. Let me show you what this back looks like. So yeah, so you kind of build it and it opens up. I don't know if this will do it justice, but yeah, it's supposed to look like a box like this, and you can stack them up and things like that. I wanted to use this for crafting, to organize my crafting area over there. There's my baby. He's wearing a diaper because he's just potty training, but so no pants, just a diaper. And he's painting right now. Yeah, but I wanted to stack them up there and just organize the things. Yep. But looking at, it's like this, first of all, it's really thin plastic, like not very sturdy, so I don't know how much weight it can actually hold, though, you know, it's made for shoes, so not really made for crafting. But you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to make the best of it. Maybe I can like store my little trinkets and stuff. And this is the window that goes on top. It's not actually in drawers, just a window, like a plastic window, and it flaps. Like you can pull it, it snaps in and out like this. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this part is the disappointing part. Like, it's so flimsy. I don't know, how sturdy could this be? But we'll see. I'm gonna put all of these together. Basically, you just fold it like a box and then you snap on this front, I think. So yeah, I'll put this all together and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here I have made the box in the back, which was easy enough. The hard part is trying to attach this front part, which is it's giving me trouble because this box is so flimsy. Like, I cannot even put it on. So I don't understand, even if I did get it on, how it would stay and not just pull off when I pull this, because this has like a little snap to it. You hear that? So it has a snap to it, so I don't know. Still trying to figure this out, because you see that it's not completely like straight because it's bendy and flimsy. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Okay, so I finally figured out how to do it. I should have read the directions more carefully. I tend to do that to myself a lot. But anyways, so here's the finished box. So on the online picture you can't tell how flimsy this is, but I was hoping to be able to actually stack things on top. But it's very thin, so I definitely don't recommend that. I was going to just stack, where am I? Okay, I was going to stack everything up here and then put my sewing machine on top, but that's not going to work now. So I don't know, I'm going to build these and then I'll figure out what to do with them, but at least it works. Let me tell you how I did it in case you end up buying these for shoes. So after you fold the bottom, and there's like this little tab you pull through to hook it in, there are these tabs on the side which I thought snapped in, but you actually have to fold them down to the fold line here. So you have to fold these down so that when it does click in, it pops up and it snaps in. So that's the trick to these boxes. Otherwise you'll spend half an hour like me trying to align everything and it not snapping in. So yeah, this is key. Make sure you fold this down and then everything should be easy peasy from now on. So yeah, and another tip is to just really press your boxes on the folds so that they're nice and sharp, especially here on the bottom too. And they also have tabs here for it to hook onto other boxes to connect them. So yeah, I don't know how great that'll be, but I'll try that out later. Okay, I'm gonna build the rest of these boxes and then we'll be right back. One more thing, so since there is this tab that pops up or out, you want to make sure you align the drawer. So this is the bottom, and then snap the drawer so it opens this way correctly. Okay, so here's an example. I had to fix this one. So here, the drawer opens this way, right? You want to make sure that this tab that pops up or down or whatever, there's this little tab here to hook it onto other things, is on the top, because we don't want things on the bottom because things might fall out. But yeah, okay, there's that box. Okay, now let me really start building the rest. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Kind of hard here. Okay, I'll start with this one. So I took that flat one, I'm just folding all the sides, making it nice and sharp on each side. Then on the back here, there are these little tabs you pop off on this flap and on the side flaps. You just pop off those tabs. Then you're gonna fold these in to make them nice and sharp. Okay. And then you're gonna take the side tabs and pop this in. There's also a little tab back here you need to pop over. And here like that, and repeat this side. Sorry if it's shaky, but it's like holding a broken tripod with my knees, so I can have two hands to show you. Okay, so I tuck that in on the side and then fold this flap down and repeat what you just did. Just pull up this little flap here and push that through this hole, and the same on this side. See, that's a lot. You're gonna want to do this because it makes it so much sturdier. Okay. Oops, missed one. Just gonna push that up. There we go. There, nice and sturdy. Then, right here is a tab that you can pull in or out to connect them. So that means this is the bottom of the box. And you're gonna make sure that you remember that's the bottom. Let me try to bring you guys up here without it being too shaky. But on the sides, on the other end, is this little tab you have to fold down. Okay, because that's what is going to hold in the plastic frame to snap it in. Then let me make sure this is the bottom, that's the top. So make sure you have the bottom where there's no tab. Take one of these frames and position it. Okay, this is harder than I expected. Filming wise. Okay. So here I have the tab up top. And you're just gonna line this up. I find it easier. Let's see if I can put you higher. Okay, let's just try to do one corner, please. Let's line up one corner. Usually when you line it up correctly, you'll hear the side snap in. And that will help you line up the rest. For some reason, I'm having so much trouble trying to do this while filming. But when I'm not filming, such a breeze. Isn't that how it always is? Okay. Anyways, you get the idea. You fold these tabs in, it snaps on, you're good to go. I'm going to just cut the filming here because it's taking way too long trying to balance this, and do this at the same time because I have to be in a really uncomfortable position. So I'll come back when I build them all. Okay, so here are what the finished boxes look like, and after you put them together and attach them, they're actually relatively sturdy, surprisingly, but you still probably would want to put the heavier things on the bottom, but they are really good for shoes, which is what they're made for. But crafting wise, it's a lot easier for me just to grab and go. I can see what's in each drawer. So yeah, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. I feel like it's a little overpriced, but if you do the math, works out to about $4 or $5 a box, which I guess is okay. Not too bad, but yeah, let me think. What do you guys think about this storage solution? Do you have any better options for me? Do you think this will work? Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!